Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are, rolling into Texas. And we're in Texarkana, headed down south on US 59. Do you notice the sign there? 291 miles to Houston. There's going to be two videos. Most of Texas US 59 looks like this, so we won't show a lot of video of it, but it is pretty cool. Welcome to the little town of Tenaha, Texas. Beautiful little town along the US 59. There's a lot of these down up and down 59. Cuts through rural Texas. Beautiful little towns. Not so many restaurants anymore due to COVID, but they were good places to eat, little mom and poppers. But hey, y'all enjoy the ride. Thank you much. And here we are, pulling into Nacogdoches to put her down for the night. A little fuel stop, wasn't much of anything. 10 cents a gallon cheaper than everywhere else, though, but it was $3.09. But, yeah, we spent the night here and then motored on down to Houston. And so we started rolling out in the morning, nice cloudy, gray, pink day, and we hoped to, get some blue skies going, and yeah, that didn't work out like we wanted, but still was a pretty good trip, so cool. Like I said, it didn't turn out to be the best day. Didn't get our sunshine. We're looking for a place to eat. Place over there on the left, I thought it was a car lot till we got by it and found out it was a place called Charlie's Restaurant. And they had some good food. Trying to find a place to eat down 59 is real hard nowadays. But I was driving a truck. Man, there was little places you could pull a truck and trailer into and just get some good victuals. But nowadays, nah. They're gone. So we took a look at the map and decided to take this 1960 as a loop around, because according to the map, it was blue line, should have been a restricted highway, restricted access. And as you're about to see, it was not restricted to traffic lights, that's for sure. Oh my God. So if you're in a hurry to go around Houston and think this outer loop is going to be good, yeah, don't do it. It's just full of traffic lights, full of traffic until you get around over to, I think it's the Sam Houston Parkway. Then it turns back into a little bit of a highway type thing. But, oh, what a nightmare. It took forever to do it. But, hey, we got her down to Houston. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for part 2 from Houston to Laredo, and that's going to be coming up pretty soon, the next day or two. Don't forget to give us a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we'll look forward to seeing you all again. You take care now.